Okay, something went very wrong, very strange and outrageous, but somehow I actually managed to partially fix it. At first, the peacock was just walking normally, but honestly, it felt way too boring. So I started pushing the animator further. More awkward, more unstable, more ridiculous. So I thought, what if I just make the animation weirder? Make him run. And honestly, the fall was probably the funniest part. Then I tried turning the peacock into an actual animated character. And then I ran it through 1.2 Fun Control, and everything completely broke. The environment barely moved, the character started deforming everywhere, and somehow the whole thing looked even more cursed than I expected. So I started testing different fixes. I changed the control images, tried line art instead of depth maps, tried adding blur, but honestly, most of the results were still terrible. Then I realized maybe the problem wasn't just the animation. The scene itself was too empty. So I went back into 3ds Max again, built a simple moving environment, continued using UV animation to achieve scene movement, and generated a completely new image with the scene included. That's when things finally started improving. The movement finally started feeling believable. The environment was actually moving now. And for the first time, it finally felt like a real animation shot. Although, the character consistency was still breaking. And the headphones literally disappeared again. At this point, the peacock already feels weird enough to become an actual character. Now I kind of want to figure out what actually happened to him.